right people who are motivated to succeed, love what they sell, and want to provide for their families, your job as a sales manager really is quite easy. Motivation and commitment to me are things that you can't teach. You either have it or you don't. And as a sales manager, if you have sales reps that have those qualities, honestly, your job is to grow them and help them meet their goals. The aha moment. When a sales rep understands something, it's like the light bulb goes off. You can see it in their facial reaction, you can see it in their body language, and then they are able to take that and implement it into their sales process. It's just such a fun part of being a sales manager.